तारीख है 19 अप्रैल 2022। समय हो गया है 02:27 PM। कैसा कैसा लगा अदानी साहब? सच्चाई पता लग गई आपकी टीम को? सच्चाई पता लग गई? अदानी ग्रुप 2.5 करोड़ से ज्यादा का स्क्रैप नहीं है, सुना है? पूरा अदानी ग्रुप भी अगर स्क्रैप में ही बिकेगा और क्या? कैसा महसूस हो रहा है अंबानी साहब? हकीकत पता लग गई? कैसा लग रहा है महिंद्रा साहब? और मैं क्या समझा रहा था आपको? क्या बोला वर्ल्ड बैंक ने? वही जवाब मिल गया ना? नहीं है सर, नहीं है। जो नई करेंसी, इंडिया की जो नई करेंसी 9 नवंबर 2016 को छाप करके डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की गई है ना ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में, उसकी वैल्यू गोल्ड नहीं है सर। इट्स जस्ट अ पीस ऑफ पेपर। यस, until and unless government of India will pay 45 trillions to World Bank and to entire world, the Indian currency will not be valued. Yes, you have to show the weight, and it's approx 3,33,000 gold bars, and 6,66,000 gold bar is a penalty, because they said so. It's illegal, and you all are supporting them. No, you were, Mr. Adani, you were the financer of Bharatiya Janata Party. You and Mr. Mukesh Ambani, Mr. Adani, you and Mr. Mukesh Ambani and Mr. Ratan Tata and Mr. Mahindra and other businessmen are supporting Bharatiya Janata Party and Modi, and now you're all your money is scrapped. Yes. No, this is not my statement. This is statement of Mr. Modi on 8 November 2016. Entire India's money is scrapped. He scrapped, sir, not me. I was the person who opposed demonetization. Now you should come on a podium and tell your sadness. This is very hard to digest to Mr. Adani and to Mr. Mukesh Ambani and Mr. Anil Ambani and to entire Indian businessman's lobby. You all are became suddenly a bankrupt. Whatever you are holding in your pocket is just a piece of paper, sir, because it's not carrying a weightage of gold. No, I'm telling you the truth. How it could be possible now? Now Uttar Pradesh government's CM is designated by Mr. Adani and here India, the Parsi group is willing to provide the strength to the Indian government. I just want to know how it could be possible, sir. Do you have enough gold? Without putting a valuable metal, how you people could give the weightage to the Indian currency? So whatever is the media report should now the media world should take the responsibility to show the reality of Indian economy. That's why I said so that media is running a fake news. Don't be so angry, Mr. Modi. Don't be so angry. Accept the reality. Nirmala Sitharaman ji and Indian parliamentarians, you should have to accept the reality. Mr. Adani issue the press release. It's a responsibility of Adani Group. It's a responsibility of Adani Group and Reliance. Yeah, deal is still there. Deal is still there. Yeah, I'm ready to buy. No, but I will not buy Tata Group. No, I'm ready to buy Adani Group and Reliance and Mahindra. Deal is still there. I'm ready to buy. Come and sit. Definitely. I always welcome the opportunity to do the business in favor of a worker of Adani Group. And no, I will not buy Tata Group, any company of Tata Group. I will scrap Tata Group. Yes, we will merge. We will merge the entire infrastructure of your group in name of @Hitesh Ray 1 Twitter handle. I'm ready to buy. I'm ready to buy Adani Group. No, then let your people suffer. Oh, why should not? While I already are ready to purchase Trump Organization also. They are in a big debate. They are in a big debate. This is the reality. You should go. Oh, what I am telling you, in favor of in favor, do the favor in your worker. If you love if you love your workers, you should have to sell it to me. I'm ready to buy Adani Group, ready to buy Reliance. Your deal is still there. Because nothing is left in your pocket, you have to pay suddenly. Now listen to me. While the Adani Group's yes, now listen the reality, sir. Adani Group's credibility inside the market, you already taken a credit from the market, and according to the Mr. Modi's statement, your all money and every gold is became illegal. Now you have to pay the credit, whatever you picked up from the market, you should have to pay it. Now, how could it be possible? Your entire company is in loss now. Your entire company is in loss now. This is the reality. Now the Indian media should take the responsibility to show the news. This is the breaking news. This is the breaking one. Quit playing games with my heart. It's really a shocking news for Adani Groups and their worker. Oh, leave it. Whatever was an expenses done by you to visit to World Bank. Don't worry, sir. No. It's my hospitality. Take it in as an hospitality by the Hitesh Ray 1. Don't worry, sir. Do not discuss it. Don't let me feel shame. No need, sir. No need. Thank you very much. Take it as my hospitality. This is an honor for me. But your complete and entire business lobby is completely scrapped, sir. Done by your favorite one. My concern was the same that I speech yesterday. This is the reality. Don't worry. Take it as an hospitality. No. Whatever is the expenses to done by you and your team to visit to World Bank, take it as an hospitality by Hitesh Mandal. Twitter handle @Hitesh Revan. Yeah, definitely. I just whatever was what Mr. Adani. Mr. Adani, now what the situation will going to happen whenever we sit in front of each other, I'm definitely going to laugh. You ever watch the serial Just for Laugh? Now I'm giving you one more news to you, and that is whatever the credit Adani Group is picked up from the market by the statement of Prime Minister of India. The entire money and the power of gold which is related to the Adani Group became illegal. Now the same is asked to pay by the Adani Group because you supported demonetization and you took the same money to the World Bank. You have to pay it in thrice. So if you want to validate your currency, you should have to bring out the worth rupees gold to the World Bank now. Only that way that you can ready to validate your company's weightage, sir. That was a scenario was created by Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Don't worry. No need to discuss it. No need to discuss it by your PSOs. Take it. Just put in my basket as a hospitality. Whatever is the amount spent by your team to visit to the World Bank. Oh no need. Instead of asking to the World Bank what is the cost, I just want to exchange my money with the gold. So you should have to go to with the money with the gold and say them this is the money and this is the gold. Now the validate my currency. Now whenever you are planning to visit World Bank to the second time, you should go with that currency with the gold. Now I'm waiting to hear the answer from the BIS hallmark. No, I'm not willing to buy Tata Group in the same name. No, I will merge it. No, I'm on my stand. I'm ready to buy Adani Group, Reliance, Mahindra, and others. Yes. Otherwise, your company will shut very soon, and your thousands and thousands employees will suffer. It is going to be a very big loss for you because you were the financer of Bharatiya Janata Party and I have to pay 174 lakh crore rupees also the value game money. I belongs to my principles and my ethics, definitely. But something is the reason behind. That's why I'm not willing to buy the Tata Group. No, I will not. I will merge. I will merge and scrap the name Tata Group. Because the debit of your company is a thrice now. Firstly, that night the same theory will apply on you also, on Adani Group. The same one. Adani Group. And the theory is on the yes, on the night on the date of 8 November 2016, as Prime Minister of India announced, if suppose Adani Group is with a 200 billion, if we are saying billion, it's definitely US dollar, maybe Indian rupees. I don't know, you said 200 billion, but media report is not showing, saying that US dollar, because I didn't listen it, because it was fake. The 2 billion US dollar rupees or US dollar, let it just calculate it in a 2 billion rupees firstly. A US dollar, okay, US dollar. Now, as Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi, the Prime Minister of India, announced that yes, illegal tender, your bank account became illegal. It's a weightage of gold is became illegal. Now you have to validate the same with 200 billion rupees gold or US dollar gold. Firstly, you directly get a loss of 200 billion US dollar. Now I am saying that Mr. Adani is minus 200 billion US dollar asset holder, minus. If you want to equalize the loss, you have to fulfill it with a 200 billion US dollar firstly, plus 200 billion, put the sign in mathematics, US dollar, to equalize your asset, to be on the same post. From where will you take it? I don't know. Maybe possible it's a credit by the market. Okay, plus minus become zero. Because yes, sir, plus minus is a minus. 0, 0, 2 and 2. 0. Your asset is 0 billion US dollar. Now you received the new currency from Government of India. But the Prime Minister of India, yes, worth rupees 200 billion US dollar. Plus new currency. Now you have to issue the gold of 200 billion US dollar. Otherwise, you are under minus of 400 billion US dollar. It's a loss for you, Adani Group. Calculated with the same. मैंने तो पहले ही बात कहा था, demonetization will consolidate. Yes, you know what is the meaning of consolidation? It will equalize. Consolidation with the vibration of the economy. Consolidate means it will give you a smooth surface. Then we will see. You know what is it? Where is economy is? Down. This is the situation of entire Indian businessman across the earth. Because now I'm telling you now, as you said illegal, your asset became minus. Now you put आपने डाला नहीं डाला इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता whether you put it or not. Pay that, yes, to change the money, sir, with the new one, you have to show 200 billion US dollar gold to change with the new currency. Yes, maybe possible you did it. Now you are changing it with the new one. Now you are changing it with the new one. As you change it with the new one, your old one is already became scrap. Now new one is, if it's a valid, give up. Yes, definitely, because it is a illegal tender. How can you transform it? You exchange it with a new one. Now you have a currency in your hand, new one, which is a fiat currency. Only a piece of paper. Where is the worth rupees gold? If you are, yes, I'm ready to accept it. I'm ready to accept it. You said it's illegal. If it's illegal, issue the gold. 15 trillions. ये कौन सा तरीका है? You can't deny, sir. This is not a subject whether you write a defeat or not. It's not a subject. Subject is where is my money. Subject is where is the gold. You issued a new legal one, then issue a new 24 karat gold. Create a new BIS, new standard, everything new. Now new currency will consolidate with the new market standard. World Gold Council. Answer to them, na? So Mr. Adani, accept the reality in books. Ask to your company secretary, give me the real picture. According to the government of India, issued a press conference by Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Whatever was, whomsoever was giving the idea and publishing is not a subject that the government of India has to answer, no, sir. It's not my subject. Because he was on a podium. He was the Prime Minister of India, a government official, and the senior most. And powered by Bharatiya Janata Party and RSS and Adani and Reliance and other Jewish companies.